you going? Exit dive, you have no clue where you're going. Everything's wrong with the universe. Really?
I didn't know if Rupert owed Bateman or if Bateman owed Rupert.
I mean, she saw me tell a story about how she used to do that on stage once. And she's like, I didn't do that if you want to put it in your talent show skit or whatever. But I was like, yes, you did.
No, stop.
And I'm like, how else would I have known that was raped and that her...
Beverly Hills Kid, look, you can take the Beverly Hills out of the kid.
I'm in Beverly Hills East. What's Beverly Hills East? You know, you can say I'm the Nat and Drew.
The Beverly Hills Kid is on the East Coast here.
Wow. Yeah, that's a dumb move.
And as always, disclaimer. There's disclaimers at the end of
Exit 5. Oh shit! Sorry.
It's all right.
No, that was his fault.
Glad I wasn't looking.
Figured we just started off with that.
Oh god,
Yeah, no.
should I change it?
Nope.
Should I change the song?
I don't know, man. It's catchy.
I know,
I
it's
don't
so
know.
annoying. It's so annoying.
Yeah,
I did a
exit
live
dive
stream with
behind me.
some
What,
of the
you're trying to get
friends
around
last
me?
night, And they were telling me I shouldn't.
It's not the scariest I've had hiking.
Yeah, I could see it on your face. I could tell.
Oh,
that
nice
it
cutoff
was-
up there.
It was not good.
To hike with you guys when I was feeling like that, just because it was just me in my head
No,
all
stop.
day hiking and.
Right, and the over/under. I put down $7 and I won 4,200, and that was in 2013.
Wow.
And I find that if you're just chasing 3 games at like $100 a pop, 4 games, $100 a pop every week, you can start bleeding, and you're looking. You got to hit 3 of those to make money. 2 depending on whatever it
You
is.
gotta be kidding
But
me.
if you
How-
just get in there
how
and you say,
slow
"You know
can
what?
you
I'm gonna
go?"
throw $30 down this week. You can have 6 different $5 bets across. You can say, hey, you know what?
You got plenty of space. Go. Ugh. If you can't pull out of a simple parking spot with a big car like that, don't drive a big car like that. And also, here's a big piece of advice. Back into your spots. It is so much easier.
But yeah, it's crazy. Double time and a half. It's insane. I make in one paycheck what I used to make working 1 overtime shift in a month. Why is New Jersey called the Garden State?
They grow smokestacks.
What does this truck want to do? I'm very confused.
Should I sing this song for my...
Wow,
You
that's
see
a
my vid-
really nice door set. It's really scary.
They
the way
can't
they're-
be in that lane, so should I sing the song with you in the car, or should I save you from the torture?
They should have it turned the other way. What's that?
Well, I sing this song whenever I see a truck or a trailer like that in the left lane to end my videos on, but I will save you from the torture. But you should not be there. No, no, no.
Those are probably super expensive doors to be transporting them like that.
Ah, they'll be fine. It's
They're
not-
like moving a little there.
That'd be a great video clip if they fall off.
No, because I'll be the one with the like wood piece impaled in me like Grey's Anatomy. So no, it would not be cool because that's my luck.
Nice cutoff.
Especially the people who commute.
Yeah, because you got the Metro North on this side and you got the Metro North on the other side, and they wanted to link the two.
Yeah, that makes
That was a left turn regret up there. Exit dive. It's like his word of advice is if you're in like an office or something and there's a bathroom, use it.
Mm-hmm.
Even if you don't have to go squeeze whatever out that you can. Because you may not get an opportunity later.
A lot of stores are like that.
What the hell's going on behind me? This guy's
for
retarded. No, the guy behind me is in the right lane, but he's alongside. What the hell is he doing back there? Let's see what he does. Oh, he's. Why was he trying to?
It's actually a really smart idea. Now you think about it.
The light turned green like 3 seconds. Give me a break. And you were in the wrong lane the whole time, and you honked at me like I screwed up. Screw you, get in the video. Sucks for you. Oh well. In fact, if we were going to their house, it would be really close, because it was like right here.
Whoa, man, Mr. Trucker.
Extra regret. Sorry. Freaked out. What's a no stop? That truck and maybe that bus is not allowed on the parkway here. Bad. Although I'm not sure if there's any low bridges on here, but I know it's not allowed. Again, I would sing the song, but I don't want to annoy you with it. I don't know. There's a whole bunch of old.
I wonder if the roadway used to go this way. If there was one on the other side.
It could be. I can't make the guy in front of me go faster. Look how dirty my windshield gets. And it's not working. Oh, you suck. Get pulled over at the next speed trap, please. Thank you. Never mind. Then traffic light at the end of the on-ramp takes forever. I'm speaking from experience. Oh, yeah. Let's slam on our brakes for the speed trap. TLC drivers that hog the left lane up.
So ridiculous, you know.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, I mean, we would just have these conversations that nobody else could ever have with each other.
No, I think
No,
a lot
stop.
Of levels. I bet those firemen
so?
have that. I think
Yeah,
a
you're
lot of
probably
people.
State job lot?
Don't get me started on that place.
What is it?
It's a store that's very similar to Big Lots or Ollie's.
I was thinking, is that what they call their like job, like a Department of Labor?
That's what they're all over. Okay. They're
I'm
all
like,
over.
What is it? I'm so confused.
They're all over Connecticut, and that's what I thought for years. That's what it was until it's like, oh, it's an actual store. It's an actual store, and it's like it's a Big Lots basically
okay.
with all the cheap stuff.
Yeah,
cheap,
thrown in there. Yeah, okay.
yeah. They're all over New England, and it's like, and this one guy who makes these YouTube videos that lives in New Hampshire. It's like in like every other video he goes by one or whatever. And I made a comment on there. It's like I gotta stop watching these videos. It's like I miss Job Lot so much. I miss that place. And it's like, just go to one the next time you go to Jersey, because they're in Jersey. So last time I was in Jersey, I went like an hour out of the way to Sparta just to go to a job lot and put it in a video. I think in all the years I lived in Connecticut, I probably went to job lot maybe 3 or 4 times. It's not that special of a place. But yeah.
I really sounds like it's a job bag. It's kind of weird.
Yeah, it's the weirdest name for a store, and they're all over the place, and people love them. But it's like, why did they name their store that?